Welcome back, Hederians. Things are looking up in the Hedera ecosystem, so let's get into it. We'll start off with the latest addition to the Hedera Governing Council, DBS Bank, located in Singapore. Make no mistake, DBS is a monster, with over $12 billion of annual revenue, 24,000 employees, an $81 billion market cap, and $1/3 trillion of assets under management. Jimmy Ng, Chief Information Officer and Head of Technology and Operations at DBS, said the following. DBS is pleased to join some of the world's most established organizations on the Hedera Governing Council as we collectively seek to uncover the vast potential of blockchain and distributed ledger technologies. We have been leveraging emerging technologies to reshape the future of banking and have in recent months brought to market a number of innovative offerings powered by blockchain to help our clients seize opportunities in the new normal. We look forward to joining our peers on the Hedera Governing Council and exploring further use cases that bring tangible benefits to our stakeholders. And let's not forget what came out in the spring. DBS Group Holdings announced the setting up of a digital exchange, enabling institutional and accredited investors to tap into a fully integrated digital asset tokenization, trading, and custody ecosystem. To do this while maintaining their environmental sustainability goals, DBS Group CEO Piyush Gupta highlights the potential of Hedera Hashgraph, saying, "I think you will start to see incremental efficiency. The new forms of digital ledger, such as Hashgraph technology, have far lighter energy consumption than Bitcoin. You learn as you go along. Over time, the energy consumption will also reduce, and will allow you to build a decent business without compromising on sustainability agenda." A resounding endorsement if you ask me. Hashport is a huge interoperability play by our friends at BCW Group, and they are utilizing Hedera. It's a public utility that facilitates the movement of digital assets between networks in a quick, secure, and cost-effective way. This is an omni-portal allowing digital assets to flow seamlessly between public distributed networks. From what I've heard, Hederians should be pretty excited about what BCW is working on. What's more is we're going to have the Hashport team on Hedera Forum in a few weeks, not long after what appears to be their launch in about a week and a half. There's been a lot of discussion around Hedera selling so-called tax tokens lately. All marginal supply should be taken into consideration by investors when making their decisions, so watching large accounts makes sense. I just wanted to cover the subject for context. Hedera withholds some of the HBAR used to compensate their many employees for tax purposes. From what I understand, they pay the tax obligations in cash, and then recoup the cash over time by selling the withheld HBAR. These withheld tokens are initially deposited into account 0.72. The initial deposit was made in early 2020 after some large employee distributions, and it has generally maintained a balance of a few hundred million HBAR since, until recently. What I think is noteworthy is this account is nearly depleted, and has less than 100 million HBAR left, the lowest point since the initial deposit. Just as we should pay attention to marginal supply, we should pay attention when that supply might be reduced. And from the looks of it, there may be less of these tax tokens at just the right time. Also, a point worth mentioning is the fact that Hedera is building a lot, and that does take capital. Many other platforms don't have to worry about raising capital because they aren't building much. HBAR has taken us on a roller coaster lately, so let's take a look at the charts. We decisively broke above resistance between 41 and 42 cents, and managed to print a wick pretty much all the way up to the 0.768 fib extension level that we've mentioned several times, at around 47 cents. As of recording, we are testing the resistance that flipped to support at 41 cents. I wouldn't be overly surprised if it fails. That said, this trend line may still offer support, even though we had a daily close below it. The rapid bounce back tells me that it's still valid. I think this week we'll make another run at 47 cents, above which the all-time high is in play. No matter what, printing higher highs is constructive. I think we have some brighter days ahead, Hederians. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date with Hedera news and events.